how to fix Epic Games Launcher setup Gizzard ended prematurely. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our desktop. And then once we're now on the desktop, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for Task Manager. After that, just click open right here. Once you click open, what we're going to do is to search for Epic. Once you do that, what we're going to do is to right click on Epic Games Launcher. And then in this part, we're going to click on End Task. Once you click End Task right there, all of the Epic Games Launcher will close, as you can see right there. It is now gone. Now, the next thing that we need to do right here is to just go on the search bar and then search for File Explorer. After that, just click Open. And then in this part, just go here on your This PC and then just click your C drive. After that, go here on the Program Files. So make sure that it is on 86. And then in this part, just click on Epic Games and then click Delete. After that, just click Continue. Now, once it is deleted, what we're going to do is to open our browser and then search for Epic Games Download. After that, just go here and click this one, and then you will be redirected into their website. Now, what we're going to do here is to just click the download button, which is right there, and then let's wait for this to finish. Once it is downloaded, just click open file right there, and then in this part, you will see this repair and remove. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to click on repair, and then click repair once again. After that, let's wait for Epic Games Launcher to be fixed. Once it is done, you can now see if it is now working. However, if it is still not working, then the next thing that we need to do is to click on remove, which is right here, and then click remove. After that, let's wait for it to finish. Once it is removed, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for Microsoft Store. So just open that, and then in this part on the search bar, we're going to search for Epic Games. After that, click enter, and then in this part, this is where we're going to download Epic's game from. So once you do that, all you have to do is to click the install button and then wait for it to finish. Once it is done, all you have to do is to open, and that should fix your problem. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to fix Epic Games Launcher setup Gizzard ended prematurely.